Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Yes, my name is Astha Sharma and you're watching the Moksha Tarot English. Your cards are already out, so let's see what's happening in your last week. In your love life, you've got the Six of Stars and the Justice card. You could be dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising. Libra also popped up. Now, this is not necessary, but these three signs popped up, so I'm telling you. I do see that some sort of good news and good offer is coming your way. Now, it's not necessary that a proposal or a marriage offer is coming, but it could be that a friendship offer also could come. So, if you are in a relationship, somebody can propose you for marriage. If you are single, somebody wants to be friends with you first, or be in a relationship first, or directly get married. Anything can happen. Some sort of good news is coming your way. If you're already married, you can expect pregnancy related news as well. So expect good news coming your way in the last week of April. I also see that somebody in the past might have done wrong to you, or they would have just left you, betrayed you, and you've always wished that I hope this person gets their karma. You could also be hearing a news that that ex of yours or that person of yours has got their karma, right? You will be being rewarded this week for your patience, for your good work, for your genuine behavior, while the others will be being rewarded, with their bad karma. So get ready because this week will feel a lot like karmically it was supposed to happen, whatever happened in your personal life, in your relationships. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Two of Stars and the Three of Suns. I see a newness around your career, like you're starting something new and possibly with a female. So, if you are not a female yourself, even if you are a female, you could be starting something new, and somebody is there to balance your life up. It could be like a mother, a sister, a friend, or it could be that you are, doing it with some other person who is a female. You are either starting something new or starting something new with their blessings, maybe, or they are guiding you in your career in some way, or they are investing in your career, or they are your biggest client. It can be anything, but I do see a female role in your reading a lot. I do see you moving into a new direction. So you're definitely starting something new, moving towards something new. It can be that you are going for higher studies, switching careers altogether, changing jobs, or starting a new business as well. So some sort of new direction is written in your stars, and I think this week is going to be beautiful for you if we talk about overall week, because some sort of good offer is coming your way in your personal life also, and some sort of newness is there in your career as well. So yes, it is going to be a blessed and beautiful week, almost like you deserved it, almost like your karma is rewarding you. So get ready because a lot of huge rewards are coming your way. So if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any reading, any ritual or any counseling session with me, you can always email me in the given email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, mentioned in my description box and bio, or you can directly DM me on Instagram as well, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all the details over there on a daily basis. Like what are the prices, what are the different services, what new packages have been launched, when is the good time to do the ritual, and if you can't do a ritual, I can do a ritual on your behalf too. So please go ahead, check it out. Do ask queries if you are unsure about anything, and if you think you or any of your friend or family need a counseling session, a spiritual counseling session where they need guidance, they have very heavy heart, they have no one to share, they can't trust anyone, then you can always book a heart to heart counseling session where I will be taking the help of your angels and giving you a free remedy as well. All the packages also include a free remedy as well. Okay, so go book it right now. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.